All right, here we have.
I'm Elias Torres. I'm a student at the University of Houston, and I am studying computer information systems.
Awesome. And what are some problems that you kind of encounter in that area?
So some of the problems we encounter are, well, it's really a variety of things, but we look at businesses as a system, and we try to find out, hey, what's wrong with this system? So, and then once we find the problem, we look for different solutions using technology and how technology could be used to enhance a business. So, yeah.
Awesome. So you were just talking to me off camera about how you're working with kids. Can you give me a little bit of your experience with that?
Yeah, so a lot of what the kids are learning right now, they're learning the fundamentals of what I'm learning in college. So things like loops, just basic programming fundamentals. Like, if they have a good understanding of it now, it will be very useful for them in college because they're learning essentially the same thing, just a more simplified and beginner-friendly version.
Colorful.
Yeah.
Right. Awesome. Perfect. What's your favorite part about working for Coder Kids?
My favorite part about working for Coder Kids is probably the kids. I go to school and I work here at Coder Kids, and it's a nice break, and it really helps you apply what you're learning in college as well. If you can teach it, then you can. Yeah, if you can teach it, then you've learned it, and that's what I've really learned about this job, and I've grown to love it.
Awesome. Hey, thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.